Hello students, now I am discussing group by clause in MySQL that is used for grouping purpose. The group by clause is a command, SQL command that is used for a grouping row that have the same values. That means you want to perform in a group and we can use according to that group. The group by clause is used in the select statement. Always group by clause always used in the selected statement and it will use in any RDBMS. And basically it is used for aggregate function. And the aggregate functions are sum, maximum, minimum, average, count. These are the aggregate functions, which is always used for uh, with group by clause. This basically this clause is used for multiple values and return a single group, return a single value. The queries contains group by clause or grouped queries and only return a single value. Actually, the syntax of group by clause is select statement, that means column name from table name, group by, column name, second column name, and having. Having is an optional thing which you can use it. Aggregate row by distinct value in the column listed in group by clause is using statistical function average, standard, maximum, minimum, sum, count. These are the things which you can use it. Now having clause also there, similar to except that it must follow group by. Group by eliminates result after the result have been checked. Now how just see how it works. First, the group by clause is used to grouping row with the same value. Now in MySQL we see it, this is the table. This is the table which we are using it, and the table have PID, product name, quantity, P1, P2, P1, P2, screw, P2, screw, P1, screw. Then this different types of values are there. So total P1 have 2 or 3 value, P2 have 2 or 3 value, P3 have 2 or 3 values. What we are performing? We are performing count, maximum, minimum, sum, average. We can perform it. So select PID, comma, sum, always use quantity. This group by function always perform on numerical quantity. From product, GROUP, group by PID. Now see it, result P1 total 100 plus 100, 200. P2, that means multiple values are there, it will grouping it and into show it. This is the main thing. Same thing we can perform it through average select PID, comma average, quantity. Always grouping, always perform on numerical values from product, group by PID. So these are the things. Now we can summarize it. One another thing I have also explained it, that is having. So same thing we can perform it like group by having PID equals to single quotes P1 or PID equals to single quotes P3. Now what does it mean? I want to display it average quantity of product either P1 or P3. This is the thing. So OR operator will show it either P1 or P3. If both were present, both will display. If anyone will present, anyone will display. So this is the main thing using having. So what does it mean? Group by always, it is a multi-row function. It is also called multi-row function. So group by clause is used to group row with same values. Same values we can perform it with group row. The group by clause is used together with SQL select statement. Select statement we are using. Select statement used in the group by clause can only be used contain column name, aggregate function, constant and expression. We have already used it, column name, and column name always similar column name we can mention it. One more thing, aggregate function we can directly use it with group by without group by also, like select sum quantity from product, that we can direct apply it. That will total quantity. SQL having clause is used to restrict the return by group by clause. So having is a part of group by. When we have grouping it, having clause apply it according to that. Group by function aggregate the result on the basis of selected column, count, maximum, minimum, sum, average and standard deviation. Group by returns only one result per group of page. So that's all. If you have any query, you can write down on comment. Thank you.